microwave put in place, and hopefully we shouldn't have to move it anymore. I don't think there's anything else going above or below or behind, so enjoy. It's going in. Okay, so you can see our beautiful microwave is mounted and is going nowhere. It's totally in there, so if you want to get it out, you actually have to take off this upper beam here, and that will allow the legs that are going through holes and the screws going up through the bottom to be accessed, and once those are out, then you can lift the microwave up and out. So it's very robust, and that's what we want. So we will see what's next. I got a couple things on the docket. I got some latches I got to put in, maybe some magnets for some cabinet doors, all kinds of stuff. So we will see what we draw.